So you can see here, this is the curriculum of our StatPro course. So in chapter 1, the topic of this chapter is before you start using Bentley's StatPro, means this is the basic definitions of your StatPro software. The first one is understanding unit conversion table. I already told you about unit conversion table. When you will start your StatPro model, suppose I am starting my new model, and you can see here length unit is in feet and meters. You can select according to a requirement, and you also can select your force unit according to a requirement. These all are the options of unit conversion. If you want to change your unit after entering in any project, suppose if you want to change your unit in this project, so you can click on this input unit option, and you can set your current input unit by meter to inches. For example, I want to convert it in millimeter, and post unit you want to convert in metric ton. You can click on OK. So your unit has been converted in 3000 mm by 3 meter. So you also can change unit before starting your project and after starting your project. And next one, overview of the structural design and analysis. I already told you about the overview, that how can you analyze your basic model. If you want to analyze your basic model, you have to click on analysis and print. You have to click on add, close, and you can click on analyze, run analysis, then save. When you will click on done, you can click on post processing mode, and this is the process of basic analysis of your model. Now you can see the deflection of this model. These deflection, beam stresses, and bending moment about Z and Y, and shear forces you can calculate. These all are the process of after analysis. And next one is stress and strain. If you want to calculate the stress of your beam and columns, then you have to click on this beam option, then you have to click on stress. After clicking on stress, you have to select a particular portion on which you want to show that stress. Suppose you want to calculate the stress on particular beam, so I am selecting that beam, and you can see stress is generating at this point is 0.0069. If you will drag this location, I am changing its location, display event. You also can click on display event, and this is representing stress in your beam. The blue portion is representing there is a stress about 0.79, red portion is representing stress about 0.80. If you click on add table, that the stresses will be adding here. Distance 1375.00. This is the distance 1375.000. You can click on maximum stress, and you also can see the maximum stress at particular location, 3000 and 1500. If you want to see the stress, so if you want to calculate the stress of particular column, you can click on that column, and you also can check the stress of that column. Maximum stress of this column is 0.2857, and you can click on another column, and you can see the stress of that column is 0.2857 again. And color graph is also changed according to the elements we are changing. So these are the option of stresses. If you want to see the graph of these forces and stresses, you can click on the graph, and these all are the graph representing here. Now I am again continuing another topic, shear force bending moment diagram. If you want to see the diagram of shear force and bending moment, you can click on this shear force in Y direction. This is the diagram of your shear force. If you will click on bending moment in Y direction, and in Y direction there is no bending moment. If you will click on Z bending moment, you can see this is the graph of Z bending moment. You also can see in beam graph. and I'm removing shear force diagram, and you can see this is the diagram of bending moment. You also can vary this graph by pressing Ctrl and rolling middle mouse button forward. And next one, introduction to type of structures. So in StatPro we have two type of structure. First one is concrete design, second one is steel design. So we will create both these structure in further classes. And next one, overview of steel, concrete and foundation design. Overview means you can create your steel design by clicking on this tab. You can continue your concrete design by clicking on this tab. Your project will be invoked in concrete design. And if you want to create the foundation design, then you have to click on foundation design, and your foundation design process will be start from clicking on run start foundation. So I will also explain all these things in further classes. This is only the interface, that how can you initiate all these commands. But now I am using only modeling tool. And next one is introduction to finite element analysis. Actually, which analysis I told you in last class, that is called the finite element analysis. Means all the analysis you will perform on particular element, that is called the finite element analysis. So this is all about today's session, in which you can continue all these topics, which is the topic of starting of StatPro. So you can continue all this topic with the project of last class. So this is all about today's session. Thank you so much.